It's
Do
just,
you think Lily
yeah.
deserve 30 bits? I have them.
Well, you can't do 30, unfortunately. I wouldn't mind if people would be able to, but here's the thing. When people donate bits, yes, I could have a panel on my Twitch that says, hey, you need to donate at least 300 to trigger TTS. But people aren't gonna fucking read that, and I CBA with...
Sorry, I meant 30k.
Forno, are you alright? Holy shit! Oh fuck, that was a brutal one. Jesus, thank you for the bless you. Fuck! Forno, you absolute mad. What was that? Thank you for the 30k. Thank you for the bless yous. The fucking bless yous. Thank you!